She has. थोड़ा सा करके उसे देना पड़ेगा स्लोली स्लोली ये
I generally don't do videos when I'm in such a bad shape, when I'm so weak. But I felt like if I don't talk now, probably all this anger, all this desperation to talk and speak up might never come out. This is about a dog called Nirvana. Nirvana was a breed dog that was found dumped in a dustbin with her legs tied up when she was of no use to the breeders. I came across her post this evening for the first time. I don't know how, and generally I don't know how I missed her journey and how come it never caught my attention. But this afternoon was the first time I read about her. And in the evening, I read that the people who were getting her treated and who were fostering her, they had to take this tough decision to put her down because her health was declining. When I came to know about her backstory, that she was found in a dustbin with her legs tied, I just can't stop hating humans who buy breed dogs just for showing off. Guys, if you are so desperate to show off your money, please invest in a good car or in a good home. Don't buy animals to show off your wealth, to show off your status. Please don't do that, because there is a very, very sad story behind every single breed dog that is purchased. There is a mother who is constantly exploited. She is abused to an extent that her body gives up, and then she is thrown like this because she cannot get any money to the breeders. Please consider investing your money into something worthwhile. And please do not call yourself animal lovers or dog lovers if you're buying dogs from breeders, because that doesn't make you an animal lover, that doesn't make you a dog lover. Because behind that dog that you've purchased, there is a mother who's been constantly abused, constantly exploited, and she dies a death which is so painful. So stop calling yourself that, because you're not a dog lover. You are only having a dog, a breed dog, to show that you can afford one. But it would be nicer if you can give that money to such rescuers, fosters, feeders who are constantly working for the welfare of animals in general. Your money will be put to good use. Please do that favor. If you all are born as humans, use your brains. Use your... Sorry, I'm very angry, and this applies to all, even all my friends who have ever bought dogs from breeders. It applies to everybody. Please make good use of your money. Please make good use of your fortune. Please make good use of the fact that you are born as a privileged human. Use it to serve the lesser fortunate. That's the least you can do. Only one birth we get. Make good use of that. I really, with folded hands, I'm appealing. Please do not buy from breeders. Please don't do that.